Hello students, today we are going to start of class 5, chapter number 3, Windows and its application. So here in the previous chapter, you have learned about different types of software. In this chapter, we will study the most important system software that is known as operating system. An operating system is a special system software which is loaded on the computer automatically when you switch on the computer. It performs various functions on the computer as listed below. Starts the computer automatically when the power is turned on. Act as an interface between the user and hardware so that human can easily do interaction with the computer. Means it acts as a link between the user and the hardware. User means a person who operates computer. So it acts as a link between the user and the hardware so that human can easily do interaction with the computer. Manages all hardware and software resources, controls program execution on the computer, allows various application software to run, schedules and allots time for the processes. Some examples of operating system are MS-DOS, Windows and Linux. Windows is widely used operating system. So let us explore more about it because it is widely used operating system. So we will be going on more details about them. Windows. Windows is a product of Microsoft Corporation. It is GUI, that is graphical user interface based operating system, and very popular among user. It is very popular among user. Various versions of Windows are Windows 97, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and nowadays we usually work with Windows 7. The Windows 7 comes with various preloaded software. Let us explore some of them. Various programs of Windows 7. The program software like Notepad, WordPad, MS Paint, Calculator and Calendar, games are the default programs of Windows. Means they are already loaded in the computer. We don't have to install it. Notepad and WordPad. Notepad and WordPad are special text editors in Windows. They are special kind of text editor. Notepad allows you to create simple text files. Too much formatting on the text is not possible in the Notepad. Files of Notepad are saved with the .txt file extension. To access Notepad, click on the Start, All Programs, Accessories and Notepad. This is the step through which we can access Notepad. Now we will be coming off to the WordPad. WordPad is a rich text editor. It also allows a user to create, format, save and print document. It provides more formatting features than Notepad, like changing of the font color, setting margins, inserting pictures, inserting date and time, etc. The files created in WordPad are saved with the extension .rtf. The RTF stands for Rich Text Format. And to access WordPad, means to open WordPad, we should follow the following steps. That is, click the Start, All Programs, Accessories and WordPad. Now we will be coming to MS Paint. MS Paint is a program which is used to create drawings on the computer. In the MS Paint, you can create various types of shapes and can color them. Apart from this, you can also rotate, move, resize, erase your drawings and much more. The files created in MS Paint are saved with .png extension. And to access this paint, click on the Start Program, All Programs, Start, All Programs, Accessories and Paint. Now we will be coming off to the calculator. The calculator is a software used to make calculations on the computer. It is used for calculations. We can launch this application on the computer by clicking Start, All Programs, Accessories, Calculator. The on-screen calculator works in the same way as a normal calculator, and to do that is to do calculations. You can simply press the button available on the calculator or press the keys that are available on the numeric keypad of the keyboard. Now to open calculator, press window key plus R and then type in calc and then press enter key. The calculator will automatically open. Now we will be coming off to games. There are variety of games available in Windows 7 like chess, hearts, minesweeper, solitaire, mahjong, backgammon, checkers and many more. You can improve your IQ and enjoy by playing these games. To launch window games, click on the start, all programs and games. This is considered as solitaire and this is minesweeper. Windows Media Player. This application is used to play audio and video files on the computer. You can learn to music or watch videos by using it. To launch Windows Media Player, click the Start All Programs Windows Media Player. Then Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a web browser which is used to access the internet services on the computer. Like by using it, user can view and navigate web pages on the internet means just as Google we have nowadays. Before we have that Internet Explorer we also have now, but Google is more interactive nowadays. To launch Internet Explorer, click the Start All Programs Internet Explorer. Now you gadgets, the applications like calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather and Windows Media Center are the gadgets of Windows 7. These are the kind of gadgets. We can use these gadgets to glance the information available to us. To get a list of gadgets, use the following steps. Right click on the blank area of the desktop, click the gadgets, list of gadgets shows up. Here the dialog box appears in which showing the particular type of gadgets. If we single click on any of the gadgets mentioned above, it shows up on the desktop. Now here comes the exercises. OS stand for operating system. Too much text formatting is not possible in Notepad. In this way you can do the rest of the own. Now exercises are also given in the worksheet, so you can go through the worksheet for particular exercise of the chapter. Now thank you.